Welcome to Do Wilderness, a YouTube channel dedicated to maximizing your fun, safety, and enjoyment of the wilderness of our world. This is a quick video on a belt you can wear under your backpack hip belt, and it will not pinch and it will not rub. I know I have been looking for a belt to wear for the last year and a half, and I looked online and yeah, there are some low profile tactical belts, and I tried wearing leather belts. I acquired a really great leather belt for Christmas, and it's a great belt, but it's not a good belt to be wearing under a backpack hip belt. And then I got to thinking, and the solution was right before me the whole time. I have been using backpack straps for 40 years. Everybody's knows them. The backpack strap with your backpack buckles. Backpack strap buckles. And I said, wow, what would happen if I took a backpack strap that I normally wear on my backpack and used it as a belt? Well, I tested a 1-inch strap in my Fjall Raven. I'm sorry, Fjall Raven, I'm trying to get how to say this word. I just don't remember. Please forgive me. Today I'm going to call them Fjall Ravens. I know it's wrong. I began wearing Fjall Ravens, and I tested a 1-inch backpack strap for a couple of months, and it worked great. Then I took it up a notch after measuring the belt loops, 1.5 inches, a little bit bigger than 1.5 inches. I ordered some 1.5 inch backpack strap and 1.5 inch backpack strap buckles off of Amazon. And this is the test. So next time I talk to you, I will be in the field testing it. If you wear a pair of Fjall Raven G-1000s, I'm sorry, I'm pronouncing it wrong. You can just leave the belt in the pants, and it will not come out until you take it out. But you don't have to take it out every time. And when you use a backpack strap as a belt, if a situation comes up where you need a backpack strap, you can make use of your belt. So, alrighty, next time I talk, it'll be in the field. As you can see, it's fairly simple to get on. Oop. Just pull it. Put one hand here when you're tightening up the left side. Put your left hand on the left side. When you're tightening up the right side, put your right hand on your waist and hold it. Tighten her up. And now I leave some hanging down. I have not found that this pinches or anything on my 1-inch test. So I'm going to see if leaving the excess causes any kind of discomfort. Now it rides well. I'm wearing rain gear today. With suspenders. Hello, Mr. Raven. Those raven have been chowing salmon out here. They pick them up and they put them on the trail to consume them. It's a new thing I saw. All right, so let's see how, let's get my pack on here. Hit her all. Here we go. There. Now I'm really reefing down on it. Zero pinching. I can feel zero pinching of that belt. No pinching around my Dunlop. Trying to get rid of it, but you know how that goes. Anyway, next time I talk, I'll be going downhill, and then I'll be doing an uphill test. Okay, now I'm walking downhill, and so far on this whole trip, I haven't felt this belt pinch once and going downhill. I haven't felt it. Pretty incredible belt. So the next time we talk, I'll be going uphill. Now I'm walking uphill, and this, I believe, is the true test of a belt that you wear with your pack, because when you walk uphill, your body tends to bend over forward at the waist, and if you're gonna feel pinching from a belt, you're gonna feel it when you're walking uphill, and I'm not feeling a darn thing. So belt has passed the test. Thank you for watching Do Wilderness. If you like what you saw, please hit subscribe. Remember, folks, don't go crazy. Get out there and do wilderness.